What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Cartel here. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a quick $1,000. Before we get into the video, make sure you guys sub up to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. W in the chat if this is something that you think you could do. Let's get to it. you guys watched the video until this point, I want you guys to understand sales is super important. And to get sales, you gotta post on social media, okay? YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, everywhere possible to help get your brand out there. I need you guys to understand, people are waiting for you to reach out to them, okay? You got to understand, a lot of people is never going to find you if you don't post content. And I recommend that you post content on a daily basis. That is going to get your name out there, and that is going to help your channel grow. That is going to help your business grow. That is going to help your brand grow, okay? Understand that creating content on a daily basis is going to get the job done. I promise you that, okay? Now, to do that, you gotta have enough clientele, okay? Or you gotta do enough curbs. So my suggestion to that is do free until you can pay, okay? Do free curbs until you can pay. A lot of people don't understand that this is a little bit tougher than it looks, okay? But this is definitely a hustle that anybody can do, okay? Old, young, boy, girl, it does not matter, okay? I want you guys to understand that curb painting is literally based on location though, okay? Not every location, not everybody has a curb. So if you're looking to get your curb done, okay, or you're looking to run a business, I want you guys to click the link click the email in my bio and reach out to me, okay? Let me know what you're thinking. Again, everybody can do this. I want to show you guys that even if you want to watch this video to do your own curb, this is definitely possible. You just got to practice. Practice makes perfect. Just like everything else, curb painting is not for everybody. Okay, I just want to show you guys how you can make some money in person. Okay, the laziest way possible. I catch you on the next one. Peace.